EA Sports. It's in the game.
Hi everybody, Martin Tyler here along with Alan Smith, welcoming you to this big game today. Adam Lallana. Marco Schnoili. Ali Abbas. That little deflection has sent the ball over the touchline. Giving the ball away now. Surely he's going to score here. In with a chance. Rodrigo Palacio here. Miroslav Klose! They've been saved, the defending team, by that offside flag.
They think he was on, but when they look at the replays after this match, they'll realise the official made a good call there.
Johnny Evans. He read that passage of play, was able to make the interception. Turnover of possession here. Got a throw in an attacking area. Adam Lallana. And the opponents come in strongly. And that's good support as they build this attack. And hits it. Could have scored, has missed. Rodrigo Palacio here. They've wasted possession. He's got support here. Rodrigo Branya. Miroslav Klose. That's a wonderful pass. What a chance here. He's got to cross it. Miroslav Klose! Goal! Fantastic header! Setting the standards here, the skipper.
Yeah, just when the team wanted somebody to lead from the front, he's done it yet again. Well, if you've got somebody as strong in the air as this lad, you're going to feed him balls in, aren't you? And his teammates know that, and they really have profited from it as well. What a finish.
Well, that's the first goal of the game. It's 1-0. Johnny Evans. Crosses in. Terrific header. And a tremendous save.
Well, he couldn't have headed it any better, but the keeper was equal to it.
Marco Schneuli. Another piece of intercepting there that works for his team. Well, they've lost the ball. Rodrigo Palacio here. Cut out the pass. And the time to be added on here is a minimum of 3 minutes. Thierry Henry. Great ball. Well, the referee has signalled for half-time, and it's 1-0 here. At half-time, we have got a low-scoring half, but we have got a team that's in the lead, which means that the team that's trailing has got to find something extra to get anything out of this match.
Yeah, and in fairness, they didn't show too many signs of doing that. We might be looking at a 1-0 here.